Hey everybody, Alan here with Fictive Universe, and I wanted to show you how I keep track of my revisions during the revision process. So here I am with my Scrivener, working on my crime thriller manuscript from a new book that I'm working on. And so what I like to do to keep myself from losing my place, basically, or just keep the flow and going, is I like to use the statuses here. As you can see, the default is no status with Scrivener, but I like to switch this up. So what I like to do then is, for example, I'll just come in. So here's one that I haven't started working on yet, a chapter. And so what I'll do then, I will come here and I will change it from the default of no status to in progress. And then I'll know that this is actually what I'm working on. Once I have completed it, I will then switch it to revised draft. So let me show that to you. So here's one that's already completed. So as you can see, it's showing up as a revised draft. Here's some other ones you can see. So it's just a way of being able to basically not lose my place, to know exactly, so I can just pick up right away, because sometimes if I have to I'll stop and do an errand or get something to eat or do something else, and then when I come back to get back into it, sometimes it can get a little confusing. So this way I know exactly where I need to continue. So I'll just go to the one that is in progress, as you can see. And then if when I'm looking at everything then too, then I just go look at it and I can see that it's already been revised, it's already been worked on. So it does save some time, and I do find that this is a nice little feature with Scrivener. Scrivener has so many features, and I know a lot of people get overwhelmed with all the features, but just the only feature you really need to worry about really is writing it. And then once you start getting comfortable with Scrivener's other features, you'll find yourself adding other little features like status updates. And so for example, I know a lot of people do labels with colors and stuff. I don't, so I just don't use it. So you don't have to use everything that comes with Scrivener. Just use what you'd like to, what you find helpful. And sometimes, and I did try the color coordinating, and just was kind of a big old mess for me, so I stopped it. So the main thing of Scrivener is just using the writing processor here, which I think is the best. I also like it's so easy to drag chapters around, because I don't, especially during the revision process. I try to write the first draft as fast as I can, and then I go back and add to it. I move things around, and I find that with Scrivener I can do that a lot easier than I can using Word or Google Docs or anything else that I've tried before. So anyway, I just wanted to share this little feature of Scrivener, the status update, which is a great way of keeping track of your manuscript during the revision and editing process.